Hi beautiful Igbo nonos, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you have subscribed. It's your subscription and you're watching that gives me the ginger, right? Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe now so you don't forget, because I know you forget. I get my analytics. Yes, my people that subscribe to me and more than people that subscribe are watching this channel. So please, if you forget to, please do. In today's video, we're going to be learning about parts of the body. Parts of the body in Igbo language potara. Akuku ahụ Mmadu. Your body is ahụ. Yes. And number one is isi. Your head is part of your body. And what we're learning today is Akuku ahụ Mmadu, right? So if we don't mention the head as the first on your body, I don't know what we're going to mention again. So that is to say, isi is head. Head, potara, isi. Head is isi in Igbo language. Head is isi. And we have nte. Nte here, potara, ear. Your ear, that ears you're using to hear is nte in Igbo language. That ear you're using to hear is nte in Igbo language. So your nte is her ear in Igbo language. Ear, nte. Ear, nte. Ear, nte. Anya, your eyes. Your eyes is also part of your body. Remember, today's lesson is parts of the body. Akuku ahụ Mmadu. So your eye is also part of your body. That eyes you're using to see, that eye you're using to read, that eyes you're using to watch this video is anya in Igbo language. And without eye, I don't know what will become of us. So we thank God for our eyes. Imi is nose. That nose you're using to perceive those good smell of food or to perceive when your environment is dirty is called imi. Imi is also very essential part of your body. Your eyes and your nose and your ear, they are essential, and what carries them is your head. Yes, these are also parts of the body. Imi, nose. Nose, imi. Nose, imi. Nose, imi. Mouth, ono. Mouth, ono. This mouth I am using to talk right now. The mouth you're also using to talk to your friends. That very mouth is ono. Mouth, ono. Mouth, ono. Mouth, ono. Mouth, ono. Teeth, eze. That is you're using to eat your best meal, you're using to eat your meat, you're using to chew your gum, and etc. It's called eze. Teeth, eze. Teeth, eze. Teeth, eze. Teeth, eze. Tongue, ire. Yes, tongue is also an important and essential part of the body because it's this tongue that helps us to speak. Yes, if you don't have a tongue, you can't speak. So it's also very important, and you should know that your tongue is ire in Igbo language. Tongue, ire. Tongue, ire. Tongue, ire. Aka, hand. That hand you're using to hold this phone is also essential. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Hand, aka, hand, aka, ike, bum bum, ike, your buttocks. That your buttocks using sitting down is called ike in Igbo language. Your buttocks, ike. Your backside, buttocks, ike. Ike, your buttocks, ike. 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 Your legs, ohu. Your legs, ohu. That feet you're using to walk up and down is ohu in Igbo language. And it is very essential as well as part of your body. It's very essential because if you use that leg to move from one place to another, yes, movement happens in that part of your body. And we have afo, stomach. Afo, stomach. That stomach you use in storing your food, your urine, your essentials, etc. It's called afo. Stomach, afo. Basically, all the things I've been mentioning now, more of them are 3-letter words. That's how simple Igbo is. So your stomach is afo. Stomach, afo. Stomach, afo. Your back is azu. Back, azu. Back, azu. I feel like your back is also essential because it allows you to relax. When you sit on your sofa, you lean back. This is because your back is healthy and your spinal cord bone is healthy as well. And that is why you have a good sounding back. So back is also an important part of your body. Mbo, nails. Mbo, nail. Mbo, nail. Mbo, nail. Some people call it mvo. They all mean the same thing. Igbo and their dialects. Some people call mvo. Some people call mbo. Some people call mvo. Whatever one you say, we know what you are talking about. Mbo is nail. Omomotata agwula. Today's lesson is over. Omomotata agwula. Today's lesson is over. Hope we learned 1 or 2 things as well. Please and please, you can save these videos on your watch letter and visit them frequently and you're perfect. Please don't forget, biko echefukwana subscribe, itinye aka n'ebe ahụ na-acha red. Subscribe to my channel and do have a wonderful day. Bye.